Hello, welcome to the Design Hub YouTube channel. Today, let's dive into the exciting world of thumbnail design using Adobe Photoshop. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll craft an eye-catching gaming YouTube thumbnail that will make your content stand out. So, without further ado, let's get started. Open Photoshop and create a new page with the perfect thumbnail size, 1280x720. Now we need a good killer background, right? I've already found one, so let's just copy and paste, Google that in. We're adding a game character to level up our game thumbnail. For this one, I've chosen a PUBG character. Let's make it stand out by removing its background, quick and easy, but we're not stopping there. Now select the character and press Ctrl+A to open the Camera Raw filter. Increase the texture and contrast, and also add some saturation. Adjust its black and white. Next, right-click on the background and convert it into a smart object. Now, press Alt and drag the character's filter to apply it to the background. Now, add a new layer, select a soft brush, change its color, and make 3 brush clicks. It looks good now. Also, add text with gradients on it and apply a black stroke for a polished appearance. Also add some drop shadows to text. To enhance the overall look, let's blur some parts of the background. It adds that extra touch of coolness we all love in gaming thumbnails. And guess what? Our thumbnail is almost done. Now, it's time to save our masterpiece. Hit Ctrl+S to save it as a high-quality JPEG. I hope you like this tutorials. Please like and subscribe our channel for more.